and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay. If you're new here, I will greatly appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification tab while you're at it so you're notified anytime I post videos like this one. So I'm actually getting ready to head outside right now to take the kids to a dentist appointment, but after that I will actually like to go head to ULTA to pick up some things. I will also like to go to Target, but I don't know if I'll be able to make it there on time because the kids appointment is at 3:30 and 4 o'clock, and I don't think I'll be able to squeeze in Target today. But before we head out, I want to go ahead and show you guys something that I picked up from Amazon. I picked up some new filming equipment because I don't even know where to start. One, the lighting in my house sucks, in my apartment sucks, and it's like when I put on certain lights, it just make my video like super bright. I've been trying to adjust it, but I can't figure it out. So I went ahead to see if I get like some smaller lights, some like, I guess they're called spotlights, like it's really small lights. Maybe that will help a little bit for my videos not being too bright. And also I picked up a new tripod because the one that I currently have, I don't know, for some strange reason my camera is not like staying secured on it. I actually dropped my camera last week because of that, so I went ahead and picked up a new tripod as well. Let me just get a scissor to open it. So this is the Amazon box. I'm a little bit concerned because this box supposedly has both items in there, so these lights must be super small. How have you guys New Year's been treating you? I hope everyone's doing well. I'm actually trying to work a little bit better and being more consistent with my videos. It's very hard for me. As you guys know, I work full-time. I do have 2 kids, so it's really hard for me to try to juggle content creating, work, mom life. It's a lot, so I try to at least pick up my camera on the weekends to like show you guys what I have going on, because during the week I really don't have much. It's just work, home, homework with kids, cook dinner, so it will get pretty repetitive if I keep recording that for you guys. So I will try to like at least pick up my cameras on Saturdays and take you guys along with me when I'm running errands. Also trying to be a bit more personable with you guys. I am a very private person, so I'm trying. I'm going to work on it. That's my New Year's resolution, so we'll see how that goes. But so far, I'll show you guys the lights first. So the brand is newer, and you see how small this is. I don't even know how these lights even fit in here. So let's see what we have. So it comes with these little inserts, and I guess you could change the color of the lights. I'm sure I won't be using this. I just normally like using daylight. I love daylight. I love how it looks. I feel like it makes everything look so much better and not overly saturated. So I don't think I'll be using any of these inserts, but it comes with, it looks like red, yellow, green, and blue for the inserts. Manual. And these are the lights. So they're really tiny lights. It's just for it to like give me a little bit more, you know, glow, I guess I should say. Not too much of like a bright light. I do have a ring light, but I don't like the light that it gives off. I feel like it gives off more of like a orange yellow light. I don't like that, so I try to record most often during the daytime. But as you see, like this is like the best lighting in my house, so sometimes that light coming in along with the kitchen light, it tends to make my video a bit too bright. I can actually tell right there, and I adjusted it, but it still does it. So I'm still trying to figure that out, so bear with me guys, please bear with me. So this is the light. It comes 2 in a box, so it's 2 of them. I don't know what this is. Sorry guys, I keep looking at the time. I have to head out the house soon. And it also comes with 2 stands for the lights. So you 2 stands, the kick bottom, and you screw that on. I'll see if I can show you guys how that looks when I get back, or maybe in another video I'll show you guys how I set it up. But I do have to like run out of the house right now. And for the tripod that I picked up, this one had a lot of really good reviews, so I got this. They did have a smaller one, but I opted to go with this one instead because I feel like it will be more beneficial to me. I could also use it in the house to take pictures and stuff like that, so I figured this one will be a little bit better. It does extend. Let's see if it will focus. It does extend, so it goes tall. It goes to about, what is the height that it will go to when it's extended? It doesn't say, but the name of the brand is ULTA, and it's the MT44, and it's an extendable vlog tripod. So I picked this up as well from Target. So that's all that I picked from Amazon. I'm sorry, I picked this up from Amazon for some new equipment just for me to add on, try to make my quality a bit better. I am trying to be a bit more consistent, so hopefully all of these extra supplies will help me do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out, get the guys to their get the kids to their dentist appointment, and then after then I'm going to try to make a stop at ULTA. Hopefully I can squeeze Target in there. If not, we can do that at another. So we are back and got all of the goods from ULTA. The kids had no cavities. Great news. I actually also stopped on my way in and got me something sweet. Had a little sweet tooth, so I got me a ube boba tea from Mochi Nut, and I got me a funnel cake Mochi Nut as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff together, then I'll show you what I picked up from ULTA. So here's the bag of things from ULTA. I actually ended up doing an order pickup. So here are the items I got from ULTA. I actually ended up doing an order pickup. I figured it would be a much quicker process than me actually going into the store. I would have been in there all day, and I don't have much time this evening, so I went ahead and did a pickup for the items. As some of you may know, I don't think I've ever mentioned it, I do have a teenage daughter and she's into skincare, so some of these items are for her as well. So I actually picked up my Clinique. This light is too bright. Let me try to turn it off. Okay, I hope that's a bit better. I think I need to play with the settings of my camera because I don't know why all of a sudden like everything is like extremely bright on here. But I picked up Clinique clarifying lotion 3. I picked up 2 of these actually. One bottle will be for me and one bottle will be for my daughter. Guys, I hope this lighting is not irritating you as much as it's irritating me. I apologize. I don't know what's going on here. And I got 2 things from The Ordinary. I actually got 3 things from The Ordinary. One of it got canceled. I wanted to try the lash and brow serum. I ordered it, but I guess it was out of stock, so they canceled the order. So I picked up, for myself, I picked up the multi-peptide serum for hair density. My hair is, I feel like it's thinning and I have this issue going on with my scalp, which I don't know what it's about. So I thought I'll pick this up, not for the scalp issue, but mostly for my hair like falling out. So I picked up, let's see if that will help if I put it. Yeah, we need to do something about this because this is not working. But this is a hair multi-peptide serum for hair density. I picked this up for myself, and this is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. I picked this up for my daughter. She wanted to try this out, so I picked that up for her. And this is just a face moisturizer for my daughter. She uses the Aveeno. Can you see it? There we go. She uses the Aveeno. It's Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer, so this is for her as well. And last but not least, this is my scrub that I normally use in the while I'm taking a shower. This is my Old Faithful. I use this every morning, every night. I use this while I'm in the shower. So this is my face scrub. I got the Aveeno, and it's the Positively Radiant Brightening Scrub. So that will actually be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. It's, I guess, a little day in my life. As I told you guys, weekdays are really hard for me to record, so I try to pick up my cameras on Saturdays. Once again, I'm also going to try to work on the settings on my camera. I actually just changed it, so I don't know, maybe I'm just not liking the new settings. So I'm actually going to go ahead and try it back with my old settings, as well as the new lighting I got. See if maybe that will help a bit, because I feel like before that I wasn't having much of an issue with it being too bright. So I need to adjust something. I just don't like the settings. So I apologize for the quality of this video today, but thank you for tuning in, and I hope you did enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.